Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing XRP community now. XRP is around 62 cents, right? It's just consolidation, guys. Seems like a literal stablecoin as we can see, right? But not to mention Bitcoin's doing the same thing though, right? So we have to wait for a move. Now possibly we just got confirmed that 2024 is going to be amazing, right? A prosperous year. Why? Because from Emi Yoshikawa right here at Ripple, VP Strategic Initiatives. So 2024 is the year of Dragon, right, on the XRP ledger, guys. Now the reason why she replied to this tweet from Ripple X prediction time 2024 is the year of blank on the XRP ledger, right? And we did say people were commenting different things, guys, such as AMM and all other features that will probably go live in that year. But as we can see, 2024 is the year of Dragon, of the Dragon on the XRP ledger. The year of Dragon is believed to be or to foster growth, progress, and abundance according to Chinese culture. And this is an image that was produced by ChatGPT, guys, right? It looks very beautiful to say the least. So again, guys, 2024 has to be it. If it's not, I'm out. Not to mention, we just have to carve our own path, right? We just have to carve it. We just have to force it to be it, guys, right? At this point, I mean, I don't know. The signs are there. Maybe perhaps David Schwartz comes into play, guys, and he gave us multiple hints right here. Perhaps. Let us investigate further. Now, guys, we're starting from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. So, from David Schwartz, I wore this to an après-ski themed party. Turns out nobody but me and my wife dressed to the theme. Everyone else was in fancy cocktail attire. Also, the mayor of SF was there, right? Guys, imagine walking around, right, or partying, and then you see David Schwartz coming in like this. Not to mention, only him and his wife, guys, were dressed to the theme, right? So this is fascinating, right? So that's a little bit interesting. If we go down here, guys, a lot of people are decoding what it could mean. David looks like he's dressed to go to the moon. But let us investigate further, because someone says, look at this from XRP Gentleman, candle, and then we see down, guys, right? A down pointing arrow, and we see candles in the background, right? Zipper down as well. What could that mean, guys? I don't know, right? Going perhaps downwards. Now, someone did point to reverse it, right? Made it upside down. It's pointing up. But wait a moment. So that's a little bit interesting, isn't it? But when we're talking about going down, guys, what if it means this, right? Skiing. As you guys can see right here, as above, so below. Look at this. So hitting the slopes, right? And then change into fancy cocktail attire, which will connect to this as well, right? Going downwards, that's the final countdown as well, guys, right? And going downwards makes in what? An avalanche, right? Or a snowball, or the snowball effect. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger as time moves forward, right? And you can't stop it. So connections with piano keys and whatnot, guys. So this is interesting, huh? Now, if you go to this next tweet though, because it just keeps adding on, guys, right? The decodes are actually pretty insane, if you ask me. And not to mention, guys, this right here, that image from David Schwartz is definitely more cryptic, right? So get ready with cash and wait for the last chance to invest. Everyone's bags should be packed. If we get an opportunity, I'm taking it. I have fiat ready. That's my stance. For me personally, guys, I'm long XRP. So if we dump, I don't know about that one, right? I'm long XRP. But will we go down? Will we not? Maybe there are signs, because from Alex Becker, meme coins are usually the last part of the money rotation before a major dump occurs. Okay. Now, the reason why he's saying this, guys, is because if you check out this right here, so there are meme coins are just going ballistic, as we can see right here. a coin named Bonk, right? And it literally went up to like 200x, which is insanity, right? Seems like a blow off top, literally, guys. If anyone's invested into this coin, not financial advice, and nobody's taking profits, I heard someone made like 13 million or 10 million dollars, and he's not taking profits, guys. Does he not see this? It's literally gone parabolic. If it keeps dumping, it's going to be catastrophic. So this is what he means from Alex Becker right here. This is what he means when he says, we may see a dump on the horizon, right? Because these meme coins are pumping, but hopefully we don't. I hope we pump, guys. But I don't think things are over by any means, right? If we do dump, what does that mean? We haven't even seen euphoria, guys. I'm just already wearing a diaper in preparation, and think you would be wise too, right? Which means if we do dump, guys, it's going to be a repeat. Higher we go, right? That's how bull markets do work as well. So I'm not even too worried, but I am in a long, so maybe I'll put a stop loss or something, guys, just in case. By the way, I just want to throw this in here. The Riddlers got it correct once again from CoinDesk. They tweeted out Safe Moon, right? Filed for, or were arrested last month and then filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and then for Mr. Pool now later. Again, just be very careful out there with all these shady coins, right? If you make money, probably cash out, but not financial advice. But it's the same exact rug, guys, right? You guys, it's the same exact rug. It's the same exact rug, you guys. Because from David Schwartz, what do we see right there, right? In the background, a rug. Literally, right, guys. The same thing from Bearable Guy 123, right? So this is so weird if you ask me, right? We're actually going to zoom it in so we can see more clearly that compared to this right here. Okay, so I mean, it looks very similar, if not literally the same, right? Now, a rug in cryptocurrency terms means, guys, means people are getting rugged, right? CZ was sitting on top of a rug, guys, right? So that's a little bit weird, meaning people are getting rug pulled, right? Or could this mean something more symbolic, right? Something more deeper? Well, why would an adult waste their time constructing cartoons? Well, I'm not actually implying David is the bear here, by the way, but if he was, and if the bear was an adult, why wouldn't they? Seems pretty fun, no? Also, not everyone with knowledge in the world wants to see everyone burn, right? Everybody burn. I believe they were created to help, guys. Exactly. They already have, listen to this, guys. The Riddlers, right? These people already have a bank. They're filthy rich, right? They're already wealthy. So, do they want more money? No, right? When you have a money printer, guys, do you want more money at that point? When you already have a card that's infinite, right? You can spend as much money as you want. So what's really the end goal here? It's not money, it seems as, right? If it was, they wouldn't go about it this way. Possibly knowledge, right? Or just purely having fun. And as well as helping the community, right? So behind David Schwartz, as we see right here, room rug, what room is that, right? We can see 3 different rugs, guys. And all of Bearable Guy 123's images, pictures, oh, they are different rugs. Interesting. We see 3 different types of rugs. Now, Persian rug, right? High quality. Maybe a magic carpet. Now, David Schwartz did reply to someone down here. Let me see if I can find it. So, we see another decode right here. Red suit, right? Red candle. Again, the colors, guys. Actually, Big Short, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere over there, pointed to watch out for the colors as well. Pretty much red, right? Now, yellow arrow blue tips on front of suit pointing downwards, as you guys can see. Hand next to candle, strange way to pose for a selfie if you ask me. Exactly. We're going to be talking about the pose in here in a second. Blue and yellow make green. Not yet, guys. Braveheart battle stance, meaning hodl. And then Could this be it? Right? So, I don't know. But, look at the pose, okay? Look at the pose. The pose will connect to this right here, right? As above and then so below. Now, I'm not saying this is all bad, guys, right? My beliefs are, who knows? But, we have seen similar poses from before, right? People are saying Baphomet and George Washington right there, right? Mocking. People are talking about mocking and all different sorts of stuff, guys. But if this were the case, guys, right, it would mean it's whatever comes down or goes down, it has to go back up, right? Or it's the opposite. Now, you know why this is all a little bit too strange if you ask me? Because this is all around the same time, right? As we can see up here, oops. Snow, right? Snowballs, winter. As you guys can see, skiing. You go during winter. BG123 tweets out his famous riddles, infamous riddles during around Christmas time, right? A lot of times, the major ones, guys. The castle scenes and such things. This was in April, but I'm guessing towards spring or summer. December 15th right there, right? Why is that a little bit weird? Even here, guys, look at this. So December 15th, 2019, which is today or yesterday, this was given out. Lodestar 3 for it. There is a test. 1 and 2 were given. 3 is a quest. Then Lodestar 3 right here. December 17th, then Lodestar 3, December 17th, 2019, Sunday, right? So tomorrow. This is all around that Christmas time frame, isn't it? Right? Strange because someone pointed out this right here, guys. The different supposed gods, right, that were born on December 25th, Christmas. Horus, Buddha, Krishna, Hercules, Mithra, Dionysus, Hermes, Adonis, and then Jesus Christ, right? Now, I'm not saying this is all real, guys, because I wasn't born back then, right, to witness it at all, but strange occurrences, right? Weird, if you ask me, isn't that? And then we have for today, 36's moon. Look at the 16/21/3, right? Today is the 16th type of date. So, if we go down here, 36-part series, right, of the Great Wave, the wave. Today we have a few deltas, right? Ha 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 ha! A lot of laughter. Time is running out, right? Interesting. Oh yeah, where even is Mr. Pool, guys? Right? He's been missing. I don't know. Will he get activated like BG123? Hopefully soon will as well. Who knows? But soon, and soon, ladies and gentlemen, the final blow, the coup de grace, right? As you guys can see. December 16th, 2022. As well as, it's getting late. Good night, may your dreams come true. Rest well, and may the dawn greet you with the first chapter of Realized Dreams, which may be today, tomorrow, or in a month, or never, right? Which will connect to today, because it is the 16th. And that was the final tweet for today's video, guys. So let us see what happens, right? Will it be now, soon, or never? Let's just wait and see to see what happens. Now, I need your voice. But anyways, that's Sophie's amazingness. See ya.